Today, we are going to be looking at main idea when we are reading Newsela articles. So I chose to go over main idea through Newsela articles with the homework you completed the other night. The article was "Texting can be good for your mental and physical health," experts say. So when I'm looking at this, I know that this is my topic because my topic is the title. So I know it's going to be about texting and how it can be good for your mental and physical health. So now I'm going to go down. I noticed this text feature of the three teenagers that are lost in their phones while they're in Trafalgar Square in London, England. So now I know that you read all of this, so I'm just going to summarize it, just like you should have when you were reading this text. So here, we know that we're chunking, so this whole thing can be chunked together. And I'm going to highlight it with this yellow color. And then I can write what this whole section was about. So when I read this, I saw that it was about some studies say texting brings about negative effects. However, some experts believe texting is not all bad. It can be a positive in people's lives. And then I'm going to continue reading on. I noticed right here, this heading, it says the right and the wrong times to text. Okay, so I think that will be about the right and wrong times that we can text. And I remember in this whole section, it was about when and how you text. So I'm going to annotate this by chunking it, putting it in a different color, and I can say it's all about when and how you text. When you're with your friends, leave your phone out of sight. However, if you're alone and it's not keeping you away from conversations, if texting is not keeping you away from conversations, then enjoy. So then I keep reading. I see another heading right here that might help me figure out the main idea. It says thoughtful communications. And when I was reading this, I saw that it was about when you're alone and it's a great time to use your phone to text. So when you're alone, it's a great time to text. So you can text someone who you think is sad and you can cheer them up, or if you yourself are hurting, you can text loved ones to let out your feelings, and that will make you feel better. And I continue to read on. And here it says connecting with your doctor. I wonder what that will be about. So when I read it, I chunked it, and I saw that texting is an easy and fast way for patients to communicate with their doctors. They could share photos and then their doctor can tell them what they think it is. And then right here, this section, the heading says, supportive services are just a click away. So as I read it, I chunked it, and I saw that this was all about this program, Lean on Me. And it's a program where depressed college students can text someone their feelings and have meaningful conversations. So I thought this was very beneficial for those students. And then this last section right here, museum interacts with its visitors, is the heading. So I chunked this and I said, I wonder what this will be about. And this was about museums. So museums are using texting as a fun way to send art. And I thought that was pretty cool. So then in all, after I chunked it, I just like to go back and look. So it says, this beginning of the article said, some studies say texting bring about negative effects. However, some experts believe texting is not bad at all. It can be a positive in people's lives. So I go keep on reading to all my chunks. It's all about how and when you text. When you're with your friends, leave your phone out of sight. However, if texting is not keeping you away from conversations, then enjoy. And when you're alone, it's a great time to text. You can text someone who you think is sad, or if you yourself are hurting, you can text loved ones, and that helps you let out your feelings. And texting is an easy and fast way for patients to communicate with their doctors. They can send them pictures, and then doctors can get back to them right away. Then I learned that texting has supportive services like Lean On Me, a program where depressed students can text someone their feelings and they have meaningful conversations right away. And then museums. Museums are using texting as a fun way to send art. So I think that all of these things together are helping me figure out the main idea.